So super easy, guys. And then the invoice will go out and the person will have it in their inbox and they can just pay by clicking on the invoice. It can be done for recurring products. This can be done for a one-time product. Alright guys, welcome back to another video in the GoHighLevel overview series. In this video specifically, we're going to be talking about how you can create and send an invoice from inside GoHighLevel. So it's a really cool feature. It's a new feature that came out. It has a lot of functionalities and it also allows you to create templates for your specific products. Alright guys, so without any further delay, I'm going to be going in and I'm going to be showing you an overview of how you can create an invoice and send it to one of your clients to get them to pay you. Okay, so first we log into the dashboard, guys, and then we click on the payment section. And as you can see here, we have an option of invoices that comes in for, okay. So now at first what we can do is we can create a template for invoices similar to what we did for the documents and contracts. So I'm going to be starting with that. Now here's what you can do. I'm just going to create a new recurring template that we can utilize for all the products to come. Okay, so here are all the things that you can do. Let's say you want to bill the person, let's just say monthly. Okay, so we can do a recurring template that goes out to a certain date on every month. So I'm just going to do a monthly and I'm just select the first of every 1 month. Okay, so now and then the start date should be from the current date and the end should be probably by like 5 days in which we know that the invoice is overdue. And then we can select, okay, how many days in advance do we want to send out the invoice. So I'll just go like, okay, 5 days in advance I want to send out the invoice. So if the invoice is due on the 3rd, then the invoice will go on either the 30th or the 29th of the last month. Okay, so yeah, so it will go 5 days in advance. Now here's how you can, change what you can add here in this invoice. First thing, you need to add a logo here. So logo file is empty. I'm just gonna add a dummy logo from all the media stories that I have. Sorry, I forgot to do this. So I'm just gonna put in the iWellness logo, and this is how it's gonna look like. Okay, really odd. I'm just gonna do growth guild. Okay, I'm just gonna put in the dummy number. You have this already there, and then I'm gonna put in address F1 office. Yeah, whatever. And I'm gonna put in this state, and can just put in the capital and postal code, address. Okay, and now I want to select the person who I want to bill it to. So I'll just put it to Sama, which was a dummy contact we added. So I will bill to Sama. I'm just gonna put in Sama's company name, Sama group of companies. Okay, and I'll put in a dummy address. It's gonna be Sydney or state Islamabad, or maybe Islamabad, whatever. Okay, I'll just put in dummy data. It should be Sydney. It should be Islamabad too. Okay, now we can add an item, which one I'll bill him for. So I'm gonna send him the $200,000 product invoice, okay, which he can pay. Or like if you want to give him, you want to add text to that too, we can do that. But like again, we didn't put in the text numbers or whatsoever, so we can remove this. Okay. And then we can add notes. Okay, this is important. Okay, cool. So yeah, now you can save this. And it's going to be recurring every single month. Okay, if you want to do a one-time invoice, that's fine too. I mean, it's almost the same procedure. I can schedule this, and it's going to be, I can schedule this via email or via text or via both. So I only have his email, so I'm just going to send this email too. Again, this is a dummy email. So if I click on schedule, it's going to go out to him. He'll see an email like this. Let me just show you how the email looks like as well. And then he'll have to click on the invoice, and then he can go in and pay the amount. Okay. So super easy, guys. He'll just have to go in and he can just pay the amount from here. There'll be a pay button at this section. All right, cool. And then now let's say you want to do not a recurring invoice, but a one-time invoice. Okay, so I go in, I click on a new invoice, and same the procedure. There's no option for recurring and how recurring you want to send it to. Just add it here. Select the logo. We did this one. Let's stick to this one. Bill to, again, this contact, add the product, fill in the information, and then you can click on send. And then the invoice will go out and the person will have it in their inbox and they can just pay by clicking on the invoice. All right, guys. So that is basically how you can create an invoice from inside GoHighLevel and how you can get your clients to pay it. So this can be done for recurring products. This can be done for a one-time product, depending upon what your requirement is. All right, guys. So with that, this video comes to an end. Stay tuned for the next videos to come, because we're going to be moving into marketing sections, how you can create your own email templates and how you can link those email templates to your campaigns and automation. And then we're going to be slowly touching upon how you can create your entire website inside GoHighLevel. Alright guys, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.